On this occasion, they brought us a Toyota Tundra to make some updates. We will install a radio, some cameras, a remote start, and other improvements. In this video, we will show you a little of the process of disassembling and assembling the new products that we are installing in this Toyota Tundra.
Have you been to Avenue Sound lately? Did you know we can upgrade your stereo system to a remote car starter, even a dash camera in your Toyota Tundra? This is a 2019 Toyota Tundra TRD. Customer had a remote starter installed elsewhere that worked with a separate control. We went ahead and did away with that, and now everything's on the original control and a smartphone app. If I want a remote start it, I can just hit lock 3 times, and then a few minutes later, it starts right up, and the lights come back on to let me know that it's on and running. Let's head inside and I'm going to show you what else we did. All right, so we entered the car, going to put the key into the on position, step on the brake, now the car takes over. Because the car was already running, it already paired up to my phone for the wireless Apple CarPlay. The dash camera that I was referring to is the drone camera. So on our drone app, we can get a live view of the front end of the vehicle anywhere and everywhere at any time, as long as the car has 4G AT&T LTE service. That's the camera right there. If you got any questions about it, give me a call. I'll be able to explain it in detail. CarPlay is wireless in this particular vehicle. We also didn't just do Apple CarPlay. We also integrated its factory JBL sound system, so the audio works flawlessly. So when the customer had his previous radio installed, it didn't work properly. Now, all of the controls work. So we also kept everything working on the steering wheel. In the dashboard, we have something called an MFD display. It's a multifunction display. So you can see, actually hand me the camera real quick. So you can see that we get all of our vehicle info there too. So we also integrated vehicle integration. So I get my tire pressure information. This one's got to still come online. I'm going to get vehicle tire pressure information, door jar information, vehicle voltage. What else do we have? We have gauges, boost, fuel, intake, all that kind of stuff. And then, of course, the original camera is still retained. So we put the car in reverse, and we see our camera with our dynamic parking lines. The last thing that we installed, which not every customer is looking for, is an HDMI port. So down below here, the whole purpose behind this is to do other things with your iPhone or Android device, for that matter, while you're driving or not driving. For the passenger, of course. So now if I go here as far as sources are concerned, choose HDMI, I can see everything that's on my phone right here. So if I want to see Avenue Sound, I can see what's going on inside Avenue Sound in my car, on my screen. Look at that. Packed parking lot, lots going on. Come down to Avenue Sound, Long Island, New York if you want to get your car upgraded today.